move on, Thermax is the stock on our radar. It eyes a revival and a stronger revival in the private capex going forward. While speaking to CNBC TV18, Ashish Bhandari, the MD and CEO of the company, says that last few months have seen some green shoots. Also adds that new industries like electronics, semiconductors, solar, data centers, they are coming in the ecosystem. Listen in.
Thermax has never been directly driven as much by government capex. We are more of a private capex driven company. I would say post-elections, there was a bit of a slowdown. And especially for Thermax, there was the whole ethanol industry, which after India hit E20 came through a bit of a slowdown. So that affected. But I would say the last few months have been good. And as I look at the next coming period, in India, we have got many new industries, electronics manufacturing, semiconductors, solar modules and cells progressing, and then, of course, data centers. So you see a new wave of companies coming in, which were not part of our ecosystem even until 2 years ago. So there's a shift of where capex is coming from in India. And given the overall demand strength as we are seeing, I expect the coming period to be of a much stronger, larger revival in private capex all across India.
Any short-term plan right now, as well as long-term, you spoke about that is going to be?
Look, we will be in an investment cycle. We have been recently. This plant itself is relatively new, but in the last couple of years itself, we invested in a new plant for water. We have invested in a new plant for expansion for chemicals. 2 of our plants where we do boilers will go through capacity upgrades. This plant here will go through a capacity expansion. As I said, we are investing over this period, we'll invest more than 100 crores in hydrogen. We will invest at least 100 crores in many of the new R&D related areas that I was talking about. FEPL will get some amount of investment. So the next period that we are going through, we expect to grow. We expect to grow profitably. And we expect to be in an area and a period that we will invest domestically and internationally as well.
All right, that's the word coming in from Thermax. By the way, MidCap